and gentlemen, this is Akanksha Negi. I am an MC and motivational speaker. And welcome to this session that is all about learn the tactics to become a successful wedding planner powered by Youthpedia. Now, something about Youthpedia. Youthpedia is a spectacular online platform that is specially dedicated to youngsters like you. Our mission is to help you with self-development, knowledge, education, motivation, and many more verticals that are interconnected. So what are you waiting for? Follow us on FB, follow us on YouTube, and do not forget to follow us on Instagram as well. And here's a small video about Youthpedia, our mission and our vision. So ladies and gentlemen, as you know, that today we are talking about the wedding industry. And what could I say about the guest who is with us today? He has more than 19 years of experience in the wedding industry planning. He is a torchbearer for his enterprise, and his wedding industry and his enterprise is into corporate events, BTL, artist management, large-scale wedding, and many more verticals that are interconnected. He's a dynamic, he's debonair, and his exceptional talent has made him an incredible success in the wedding industry. He's a name well known in the wedding industry. His name is Mr. Vijay Arora. He's the director of Touchwood Group and also the founder of Touchwood Wedding School. Please welcome Mr. Vijay Arora on board with us.
Hi, Akansha. Thank you so much for having me here.
Hello, Vijayji. How are you doing?
Very good. Fantastic.
So as I was going through the profile, there's a new initiative that you've come up with, and that is the Touchwood Wedding School. So I would like to know something about it.
So yes, it's been, as you said, almost 2 decades that we are in this industry. And last year we were doing about close to 37, 38 weddings. And then we were needing a good talent. And when we were finding a good talent, we couldn't find people who have the wedding specialty. When I talk about this, event management and wedding has a different, I'll say a different expertise altogether, because event is more of a broader aspect. When you go to wedding, it needs lot of detailing. And then when we were interviewing few people, we in our team find it very difficult to get a right candidate. And that's how the idea came in, that why don't we come with and train people who can really, as a need and of an hour, because I represent Event and Entertainment Management Association also as a vice president capacity all across India. So we discussed with few fellow members, and the idea came in, and we started this wedding school where we give them a training which is very related to the wedding management. Right? It could be, and because wedding is a huge spectrum and wedding is vast, I think in overall event spectrum, being it BTL or a weddings or a corporate, weddings plays a #1 role, because definitely we got ENY as an EMA on board last year, and they have given us a report that event industry is of 500,000 crores. So it's a huge industry in itself, and growing rapidly. Even in the pandemic, As per them, even in March 31st, we'll have minimum 22% increase in the weddings business. So definitely that's how the whole idea came in, that we need a professionals. We need a professionals who understand wedding very well, who understands all aspects of wedding, because wedding is not only just wedding, it requires decor, it needs the conceptualization, it needs the entertainment conceptualization, it needs the design sense, which is very much essential from starting a block your date to thank you card. There's a huge things we need to get into in terms of the detailing, printing, everything. So then we thought of this idea and we started making the curriculum, and now we can surely say that we have one of the best curriculum in the industry, because we have a team of almost 70 people across all three offices in Delhi, Bombay, and Jaipur, and we do our own decor, entertainment, hospitality, logistics, planning. So all of the experts have sat and given enough time and energy, and thanks to lockdown, they all have been able to give their time, and now the wedding school is working. We already have first batch going on very successfully. The students are very happy. Even students have started doing internship with us, and they have been to few of our projects. So that is the brief about a wedding school. I would like to show you a few slides on the wedding industry. Probably that will give a broader aspect to the students who's joining us today, that what lies for them in the industry. So
Yeah.
can we have the PPT, please? So in the meantime, if any students have any questions, you can always write it to us. Akansha would like to take them, and we both will try and answer you all your queries, because it shouldn't be a one way where we're just talking. We would like to take few questions, few queries in your
So
mind
viewers,
when
any
you
questions
are
which you have
doing
regarding the wedding industry and regarding the touchwood school that we have opened for the wedding, you can ask us and I'll definitely put it across to Vijayji.
Yes, Akansha. Um, yeah. So this is overall perspective of a wedding planning. Can you go to the next slide, please? So Touchwood Wedding School, definitely it's our brainchild, and we have almost done more than 3,500 projects till now. And I probably can say that we are the only event management company in India who are listed in a national stock exchange. We have a team who is very well diverse experience of all aspects of a wedding, being it decor, being it entertainment, being it production, being it conceptualizing the entertainment, or being it hospitality, logistics, that's we are already spoken with. So whole team is dedicated and are there every time to teach the students that what they actually need to learn to do a successful wedding. Next, please. Yes, let's discuss Indian wedding industry. So I'll give you few numbers which is weighted by Ernst and Young in their report when we asked them to do a report on a wedding industry. Next slide, please. Yes, estimated size around $50 to 50 billion, 40 to 50 billion. It's a huge number. And I think weddings happen every nick corner of India. And best part is in India, people spend on two things, either on weddings or on making their house. And people save from the day a kid is born. People try and save money for the wedding, especially for the girls. And now the trend is changing because the both the families spend equally. So everybody try and save money to spend. So there's no I'll never say I've never seen a downfall in this industry, being it a lockdown or being it a demonetization. Never seen. Even if after demonetization, we have seen that people started spending more, because उन्हें लगा कि ये पैसा तो मोदी जी ले जाएंगे, तो इससे better है कि हम it's better to spend on the weddings and have that happiness for us and our kids. So
Yeah.
this industry is ever growing. So it's a very promising industry if anybody want to choose as a career. Next slide, please. Second largest wedding market in the world. Now everybody asks me why second largest. Yes, US is the number one market when it comes to the number of it, and there are two reasons to it. A, everything calculated there in dollars. So everything which you do here is almost 15 to 20 time of Indian. So like if you do a decor here for 2 lakh rupees, that same decor will cost you about 20 lakh rupees. In terms of monetary, if you see, definitely we are the number two. But per event spent, we are number one in the world. So again, it's a huge market. The way we celebrate, no one else celebrate in the world, and we don't celebrate in our country. We go to entire world and explore and do weddings in the every part of the world. That's why every tourism board, to every travel agent, to every DMC in the country want Indian wedding to happen in their country. Next slide, please. Yes, that's very interesting. When we say 1 million people employed directly, yes, these are the
Correct.
people who are there in the limelight. But if you talk about rest of the people, from a carpenter to an architect to an electrician to a concept designer, from a hotelier, from a waiter, from a service staff, there are there are huge lists, that number of people who get employment in India due to the weddings. Rather, every business in India revolves around the wedding business, being a jewelry business or being a hotel business or being a travel business. So if you see in the season, which you say season is always from November till February, you don't get a flight in a cheaper price. You don't, and it's all just because of the weddings happening throughout the country. So many people get directly or indirectly employment in this
Yeah.
because of the
Right.
weddings.
Yeah, correct.
Next slide, please. Yeah, so that I've already explained. 3 million people employed indirectly as vendors, partners, which I've already explained. Next slide, please. Annual growth rate 25 to 30%. If anybody wants, I have the CNY report, which says 22% minimum due to the lockdown. We'll have increase in the wedding business by 31st of March. Normally it is 25 to 30%, but due to the lockdown, the number of sizing or the other things that happened, but the spend. In fact, by God grace, we'll be doing a closed almost 16 wedding for the season. Definitely, the scale is not much, but we will be doing about 8, 9 of that scale, but we're doing about 16. So numbers have increased, volume has increased, but spent on the weddings have not decreased. The people who are doing it a wedding in a smaller place for 500 people, like in a hotel like Fairmont, now they're going to Jodhpur to spend the equivalent amount in Umaid Bhavan and doing the other aspects of wedding in that part of the world. Next slide, please. Yes, more than 5,000 weddings take place internationally each year. So this is only the number of Indian weddings which happen on an international destination, from Sri Lanka to Thailand, to Turkey, to Muscat, to Bahrain, to other part of the country like UK, Scotland, because a lot of people stays in that part of the world, which is nearer to them. They go there and do their wedding. Even the US, even the Canada, or probably the West Coast or East Coast. So this is the approximate verified figure which ENY has given us. Minimum 5,000 weddings happen from India or of Indian origin, any part of the world. Next slide, please. More than 10 million weddings take place in India each year. This is a huge number. You know that one wedding cost and the number of people involved to get the wedding done is huge. So no other business has this kind of an opportunity in India so far. Next slide, please. Why opt for a wedding as a career? Recession हो या inflation, शादियां तो होनी है. So ये actually में सच है, because I have experienced it. I'll give you a very small story. On 10th of November 2017 or 16, when the demonetization happened, one of our client called me up. He says, "We have a wedding starting from day after. What should we do?" And we were also shocked that how we get things sorted, because of the demonetization, we'll not be able to mobilize funds. And I think within 12 hours, we have all the solution. And because it was the starting of a season, all the wedding happened and happened with the same bang. Rather, they spend more because they thought whatever money we have now, if we not spend, it will be of waste. So इसीलिए हम हमेशा बोलते हैं कि रिसेशन हो या इन्फ्लेशन, शादियां तो होनी है.
Correct.
Next slide, please. Why opt for a wedding as a career? Now, this is very interesting. When a lot of people, or when we do a counseling in our school, a lot of people come to us with many questions. So today's generation really wants a good traveling. They don't want a boring chair and a table desk job where they're all sitting as a software manager or anything. And so they want to go and explore the world, and they because they know the world very well now and it's in their hand thanks to all the technology or the IT gadgets which we use. So this career always allow you opportunities to meet new people. Now think you and me, if you're not doing weddings, or probably I'm not doing weddings, I won't be knowing the people in the rest of the world. But today if I go to Turkey or Dubai, anywhere in the world, people knows us very well. So we have built up those relations because we exchange business, we exchange transactions, and it gives us every day new learning. And so that's what even the young generation wants today. India is the second highest number of billionaires in the world by 2027. It will have the highest number. So today, if 2020, so think about 2027 when we have almost double billionaires who want to spend. और आज की डेट में when we meet client also, हम उन्हें एक ही बात बोलते हैं, सर आपके पास कितना पैसा है ये किसी को नहीं पता. Till the time you don't do a good function, till the time you don't host a good event, आप
Yeah.
आपके relatives और आपके लोग, even in your professional career, people doesn't know that what you have, and this is the best chance to show their worth, and they show it, and they show it with a pride. It's way of telling people that this is what I have earned or achieved in life. So it's a pride moment for them, for the parents also, to show to the world that this is what we have achieved in our career of last 25-30 years. So वो हमारे लिए एक बहुत अच्छी बात है कि इस इंडस्ट्री में एवर ग्रोइंग इंडस्ट्री है और बिलियनियर्स आर एवरी डे इंक्रीजिंग. Tourism board and hotels internationally are hosting Indian weddings because of the scale of the Indian weddings, because of US, Canada या बाकी जगह की शादियां देखें, maximum guest list is 50 to 75 people, and here minimum guest list is 400 to 500 people for destination, and for domestic wedding it goes up to 1000 people also.
Yeah.
So उनको tourism boards को भी या जहाँ countries हैं उनको भी ये जो spectrum दिखाई देता है ना इंडियन वेडिंग्स का, तो they are welcoming Indian weddings and they are ready to give different kind of incentive. और हमारी जो नई जनरेशन है उनको डेफिनेटली घूमना भी है, काम भी करना है. So it's a very fun industry in that way that you go and explore international market and simultaneously get to earn money out of it.
Yeah.
Weddings have become a very vast field to explore, like hospitality, art design, decor, world cuisine, glamour of celebrities, designer clothes, and much more. So wedding is not limited to only a wedding. It has vast spectrum. If people are creative, then definitely they could be a creative director. If people have bent in the entertainment side of it, they can be an entertainment curator or a conceptualizer. If they have a knowledge of production, they can really do they can handle a large scale productions, which in terms of sets or in terms of doing different events and producing those kind of sets. Celebrities, if they were fascinated about them, then definitely you get a chance to book celebrities to perform for their weddings, and so on. Designer clothes and designer jewelry and everything is a part of the wedding. So I think definitely the students who really want to explore the weddings, these are the few points, and then list is endless why they should choose this as a career. Next slide, please. Yes. Kansha, I think this was your one question which you asked me on a when we're doing a mock-up call today, that what kind of skills required to be a good wedding planner. So I'll say you have to be like Akansha because she's got a fantastic communication skills. Time management is something which you really need to adhere to, because this is one time, and like in films you have a retake. In weddings and events there's no retake. It has to happen on the same day, same time. So very important to manage your time. Creative, I think kids are very creative today because the world is in their hand, but definitely how to use that creatively to make money out of it is needs to be polished and it needs to be taken seriously. But definitely you need to have a creative bend if you want to do wedding, because every client or a person who's doing the wedding for his son or wedding he thinks for one thing कि मेरे को क्या डिफरेंट करना है, और वो डिफरेंट की कोई परिभाषा नहीं है, बट वो परिभाषा आपको उसे बना के देनी होती है, और टिल द टाइम यू आर नॉट क्रिएटिव यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू सेल हिम that how you can be a good wedding planner or wedding management company to execute his dreams. Updated and informed. To have created creative, you have to be updated. So very budget minded. This is a very crucial question because कितने भी बड़े आदमी हो, उनको एक जरूर होता है कि हमारे पैसे की वैल्यू आए, तो डेफिनेटली योर मैथ्स नीड्स टू बी वेरी वेल कैलकुलेटेड कि अगर हम 150 आदमी को आज हम बात कर रहे हैं जैसलमेर लेके जाने की, तो वहां लेके जाने से लेके और वहां पे बाकी सारे खर्चे में हम बेस्ट बजट में कैसे वो वेडिंग कर सकते हैं, और अगर हमें लगता है कि इस क्लाइंट को जैसे हम मिलते हैं तो नहीं खर्च करेंगे, तो वी शुड हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ अ माइंड और अ साइकी वेयरिन यू हैव टू पुट yourself in client shoe and think from their point of view that what will be their kind of budget which you have to match and give them value for money. Multitasking, yes, I think wedding planners have almost 10 hands because you have to take care of the hotels, you have to take care of the food, you have to take care of the logistics, you have to take care of the entertainment, you have to take care of the cue sheets, and you have to take care of the emotions, which is very essential part of a wedding, to understand that what this person or the bride or parents actually looking for from this wedding. Ability to handle pressure. Definitely, I think it is the most of the people know or doesn't know, it's the fourth in 1 to 10 category on the most pressurized business in the world. Wedding planning comes into the number 4 because pressure are there. Because एक आदमी जो सारी उम्र उसने एक ड्रीम सजोए होते हैं अपने लिए और एक सोचा होता है कि मुझे अपने बच्चे के लिए ऐसा करना है, तो वो सब कुछ आप पे छोड़ देता है, और उसमें भी टाइम लिमिट्स ऐसी होती हैं कि वो उस टाइम पे ही काम होना है, और बहुत सारी चीजें का एलिगेशन होता है किसी शादी, तो प्रेशर बहुत होता है. So you have to be calm down, you need to be work on yourself. First thing is very important. अगर कोई भी बिजनेस में आना चाहता है तो उसको अपने पे काम करना चाहिए. सबसे पहले हमें काम रह के कैसे काम करना है, which is very important. Good listener. You have been a good listener since we have started this session. So it's always because the more you listen, the more you adapt. The more you adapt, you will able to deliver that what they exactly looking for. Because अगर आप बोलते रहो तो आपको पता ही नहीं लगेगा कि क्लाइंट क्या आपसे चाहते हैं, और वो आपसे क्या चाहते हैं उसकी आपको सुनना बहुत अच्छा से चाहिए. और लाइक वी गो टू एनी मीटिंग, क्लाइंट से आप कुछ बोल नहीं रहे हो सर, हम अगर बोलेंगे तो हमें आपका पता ही नहीं लगेगा, बिकॉज वी वांट टू क्रिएट समथिंग वेरी कस्टम मेड फॉर यू, फॉर योर गेस्ट. बिकॉज हम जब तक ये नहीं जानेंगे कि आप हैं कौन, आपका परिवार क्या है, आपकी बॉन्डिंग्स कैसी है फैमिली के साथ, आप अपनी शादी पे करना क्या चाहते हैं, आपके ड्रीम्स क्या है, तब तक हम उन चीजों को रीड नहीं कर पाएंगे. So you really need to be a good listener when it comes to a good wedding planner. You need to be very much client focused in terms of actual में आप उनके ड्रीम को पूरा कर रहे हो और पैसे उन्हीं के हैं, तो वो कहीं भी ये नहीं लगना चाहिए कि आप उस पैसे से अपना कुछ भी एक्सपीरियंस और एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहे हैं. So you need to be very focused about your client, that what he's actually looking at. Active problem solving. Yes, events for say weddings or any events always come with some kind of a problem. So you need to be a problem solver. जब भी प्रॉब्लम आए तो पैनिक नहीं होना, सिर्फ सोचना है, डीप ब्रेथ लेनी है, उसका सॉल्यूशन देखना है कि हाँ अब मैं इस स्टेज पे क्या कर सकता हूँ. Because I told you, weddings is always, especially in a destination wedding, it is just about 48 hours to 50 hours which you have to blow the people's mind or to get their dreams. So उसमें जरूर ऐसा होगा कि कोई ना कोई प्रॉब्लम आएगी, but you need to be calm and be, और ये सब चीजें definitely this comes with few experience or few knowledge. That's why we have started a course in a Touchwood Wedding School where we always teach them all these aspects. Negotiator. This is very important because आज की डेट में ऐसा माना जाता है कि जितने भी हमारे बच्चे हैं वो सब सच्चे में बहुत अव्वल हैं, पैसे बचाने में नहीं है. So the kids who really want to do into wedding management, they really need to think from a client perspective that it is like my son or a daughter wedding. I need to get the best from all the partners or vendors so that my client is always happy. no, and he goes and recommend to 500, 400, 300 people, or because I think एक wedding ही ऐसा subject है जहाँ पे आज की डेट में जब भी वो 200, 300, 400 लोग आते हैं तो हम अपनी टीम को ये बोलते हैं कि ये सब आपके ब्रांड एम्बेसडर्स हैं. What you're doing here, and even on top of it, client says to them, to at least 10 people, yeah, they have done a fantastic job at a fantastic price. One
So viewers, I would like to tell you that if you have any questions regarding the Touchwood Wedding School, you can ask us and I will put it across to Mr. Vijayji and he will answer your questions. Because here we are looking at making professionals in the wedding industry, because there are a lot of skills, as he said that, you know, there are a lot of skills which are required. There's good communication skills, good interpersonal skills, and there are a lot of other skills which you need to require to excel in the wedding industry or the event industry. So if you have any questions, you can just put it across and I will ask Vijayji about it.
Akansha, sorry, I lost you. Can you just repeat your question, please?
Yeah. So viewers, we are back with Vijayji and we shall continue with the slides.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So can we have the next slide, please? Yes. So as in terms of the career opportunities, you can be a wedding manager, you can be artist management, you can be a decor designer, you can be a hospitality manager, you can be a destination manager, you can be a production manager, you can be a wedding consultant, you can be a ritual planner. And now a lot of people ask me, yes, a lot of the clients look for a person who have knowledge of a complete rituals in a wedding.
That's what I was about to ask you. What's a ritual planner?
So we have, India has several kind of the regions which we follow. South Indian has a different region or a customs to follow. Marwadi has a different. Jainis has a different. Jainis from Rajasthan has a different. Jainis from the Punjab has a different. So we generally we introduce this in our company also. We have a professional ritual planner who just study all the rituals, who has met about 17, 18, the Pandit or a guru of each region and got their information that what all needs to be done for a wedding. So this is also one aspect where people are hiring today, or a wedding management company is hiring today as ritual planner.
Oh, that's something completely new which I've heard about. So very new concept.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So these are few career opportunities which people can choose depending on what their liking is and what their bend in the overall wedding business. Next slide, please. Yes, I think that's it. So we'll start with the questions.
Yeah. Vijayji, we have a couple of questions with us, which viewers have asked us. There's this viewer, her name is Barbie D. Doll. And her question is that what should wedding planner include?
In terms of what should wedding planner include?
I think she's asking about the skills. That's what I can gauge out of the question, because that's what she's wrote, that, you know, what should wedding planner include? I think she's asking about the skills.
Skills, I've already told you. First thing and foremost thing is that you need to be creative and you need to be calm. If you have these two things to start with, rest skills you will brush up by the time. So if you have a patience, you have the ability to listen and deliver what client is looking at, you are good to go to opt this as a career.
You know, Vijayji, one thing which I really appreciated, that you said that, you know, you have to be a very good listener.
Yeah.
Not just a good executor or a curator. Because this is one thing which I also follow when I'm going for any event, that, you know, I first take the download from the client, that what do they want? because you put it beautifully across that, you know, different clients have different needs. So it's not necessary that your client A is like your client B. So that's one quality which a wedding planner has to have, that they should be very good listeners.
True. Actually,
Yeah.
और सबसे बड़ी बात क्या है, because we all have kids and probably the
Yeah.
kids who joined us today, बच्चे सुनते नहीं किसी की. तो सबसे पहले मैं उन्हें एक ही बात बोलता हूँ when they come to our office or for intern or in school, I said just try and listen more and then react. Because अगर वो आप में patience और वो skills आ गए सुनने के, तो बाकी चीजें अपने आप develop हो जाएंगी. So that is very very important point. Second thing is, I think a wedding business is very emotional. So you should always think that this, I'm not working here. You should always think it's my work. Think as an entrepreneur. I always tell them, if you feel that this is my business, you will have chance to succeed in a very very short time. Because जब तक आपका वो एक कनेक्शन नहीं बनेगा क्लाइंट के साथ या अपनी टीम के साथ, और वो कनेक्शन तभी बन सकता है जब आप ये फील करो कि मेरा काम है. तो अगर ये चीज है आप में, then I think you're game for the wedding planner.
Yeah. So that's the reason why viewers, you know, Vijayji has come up with his prodigy, and I think we can call it Touchwood's baby. It's a Touchwood wedding school, which is his prodigy, and that is the reason, you know, why he's looking at making professionals. Because Vijayji, I also feel that, you know, there is dearth of professionalism in event industry. I see a lot of people incorporating a lot of third parties, a lot of vendors in curating an event, but then there's dearth of professional people out there. What do you think about it?
Definitely, there's dirt, because everybody thinks that आज की date में, especially if they have a laptop, they just need to print one card and open an event management company. But trust me, guys, I always tell everyone, you want to do your business, it's fantastic. We also started and learned by doing this business, but it took us many years to reach where we are. But if you want to climb that ladder a little fast, then please learn and then come into the business and spend some time on the job training also. I always say people, if you want to open up or be an entrepreneur, spend at least 4 to 5 years in any of the agency, because we can learn, we can teach you the traits of it. But when it comes to the practical implementation and the practical knowledge, you need to work on one particular stream. And wedding, again, I said it's a vast thing. So few wedding management companies are specialized only into decor, few specialize into talent management, few specialize into only the wedding management or a hospitality or a planning. So to learn all the trades, you need to spend some time. आज एक डॉक्टर बनने के लिए भी पहले 5 साल लगाने पड़ते हैं MBBS के लिए, फिर 2 साल MD के लिए, फिर आपको कहीं पे जॉब करनी पड़ती है. बट यहाँ पे ये पक्का है कि आप अगर 4 to 6 months और 1 year ट्रेनिंग लेते हो, उसके बाद 4 से 5 साल लगाते हैं, which on 4-5 years also you're earning quite well. But if you want to start up your own business, you're good to go in 4-5 years.
So Vijayji, you've been in the industry from past more than 19 years. It's almost 20 years and above. You must have learned that one thing in the industry from your experience. So there are a lot of youngsters, you know, who are watching us, and there are a lot of youngsters who would be wanting to enter the wedding industry and want to be like you. You know, they must be aspiring to be like you, as successful as you. तो एक वो क्या एक टीचिंग आप उनको अपनी तरफ से क्या एक एडवाइस आप देना चाहेंगे जो आपने सीखा है अपने इस करियर स्पैन में?
I always, one thing which I tell people, which I generally told, that think as an owner, think as an entrepreneur. That's it. The day you start thinking that I own this company, you will have many ways opening up for you to grow in a business. Because ऐसा हर आदमी आपको नोटिस कर रहा होता है जब आप एक वेडिंग पे होते हो या एक काम पे होते हो. और हमारा ही एक ऐसा बिजनेस है जहाँ पे आप ऑफिस में बैठ के नॉट जस्ट doing things. When you're at site, almost 300-400-500 people, they're noticing you, and you don't know that how things click with anyone where. So I think one thing which always very important, which I always tell people, is think like an owner or entrepreneur, that it is my work and I have to do it with full grace, charm and energy.
Yeah. And Vijayji, we all know that, you know, today social media is social media is booming. So what kind of social media promotion do you think a wedding company needs, or what kind of social media promotion a wedding company can do to actually, corroborate everything and be on the top?
So social media is always a support of, or I'll say it is just support the kind of work which you do. You have to do that kind of work also to put it on a social media. Definitely, the advantage of social media is today you do a good job, you can amplify it by putting over the social media. बट अगर आपके पास में अच्छा काम ही नहीं होगा करने को, या अच्छे टेस्टिमोनियल्स नहीं होंगे, या अच्छे क्लाइंट नहीं होंगे बोलने को, तो ये सब कुछ वेस्ट है. So in terms of that, we also do social media. We also Instagram and Facebook or Twitter, or these are the few which everybody knows. But what to put, how to put, when to put, that actually matters a lot. And we have a social media strategist in a company who plan all of this. But again, सबसे पहले अच्छा काम करना जरूरी है. अच्छा काम ही नहीं करेंगे तो उसके बारे में बोलेंगे क्या? Talking about yourself without a proof or without a acknowledgement by a client doesn't make any sense.
Yeah. And Vijay, what tips would you like to give in terms of managing the budget? Because you were talking about, when you were showing the slides, we were also talking about the budget and everything. So what tips would you give?
I think budgeting is one thing which everybody need to learn, and they don't learn in a day or two. It's a process, because I can surely say the kids today are very, very intelligent, because and due to our Google or other resources available, everything is very, very easy. But still, when it comes to doing a right budgeting, it doesn't come in a span. It takes time. And at Touchwood Wedding School, we definitely give them few tips, which is a large. So in budgeting only, we have 2 sessions. So how to approach a client, or and when you close with a client, how to approach a production company, because how you project it to them, they come to that. So in terms of how should we ask them a costing to get a right kind of budgeting is very, very important. So it's you can't learn here on one session. You have to join R or any other school or a institute which teaches you a tricks of a wedding management.
And Vijayji, while I was reading your profile, I read that, basically it was your family business. I think they were facility providers. So was it, I mean, in your mind while you were growing up that, all right, I want to enter the wedding industry? Or what was that one thing which excited you enough, or, which interested you enough that, okay, I want to take up wedding industry as a career?
Paisa. This has huge money, and that only excites me every time when I work. But definitely, apart from that, it's just the passion. So we were into a tenting business. Now, in a glorified language, we say it's a facility provider. And because I don't wanted to do that business, I started as a Touchwood event management company, and we used to do only corporate event at that time. Wedding management hiring about 20 years back was not a concept, and from, I'll say it's a 10-year or a 15, 10, 12-year-old when people started asking for a wedding planner to handle the wedding. Otherwise, पहले चाचा, मामा, भाई बहन सब इकट्ठे होके शादी को बड़े अच्छे से किया करते थे. बट जैसे लोगों के पास पैसे की क्षमता बढ़ी, और जो हम देख रहे हैं कि by 2027 we'll have almost double the billionaires in India. So वो और बढ़ेगी तो और ज्यादा इंडस्ट्री बड़ी होगी, और जहाँ वेडिंग प्लानर्स की जरूरत पड़ेगी. So वहीं से ही when we were doing corporate, because of our background, I knew the weddings quite well on my tips, because I've been doing this from my school days. So we thought of doing a wedding management company, and by God grace, we have been quite successful in doing one of the finest weddings in the country or across world, I'll say. So if you want to ask me, only one thing inspired me is the money. That definitely this is going to be the next big thing.
Yeah. So Vijayji, when somebody from the outside or a layman looks at the wedding industry, there are a lot of people who tell me this also, that, it's such a glamorous profession, and, you guys are lucky, you must be partying all night and all that. So we all know who belong to this industry that there's a lot of blood and sweat that goes into it, especially in curating a wedding. I'm just an MC, so my work is just, on the stage and 3-4 hours and I just come back. But for a wedding planner like you, everything is there, and there are deadlines that you need to meet. So what would you like to say to people who think about the industry as a glamour profession? What's the real deal? What would you tell them?
Definitely, it's a lot of hard work, sweat, which goes to organize even one wedding. So we from anywhere between 6 months to a year to do a good wedding, and n numbers of hours, n numbers of nights, n numbers of creative discussion, n numbers of food discussion. So और सबसे बड़ी बात है कि ये सब कुछ जो हो रहा होता है वो सिर्फ 4 घंटे के लिए होता है, और वो 4 घंटे इतने क्रूशियल होते हैं। और तो उस टाइम पे तो ग्लैमर मतलब भूल ही जाओ। आई थिंक most of the time we didn't get even chance to change our clothes or be there in a party as a guest or being there to greet people. बट जब ये हो जाता है और जब रात को या सुबह 4 बजे जब हम वहां से निकलते हैं साइड से आफ्टर डूइंग अ वेडिंग, वो आपको सबसे बड़ा सेलिब्रिटी किक देता है कि यू हैव डन दिस एंड you've done one of the finest productions or entertainment or a decor or you've created a nice experience for each and every guest. So जो लोग ये सोच के आना चाहते हैं कि इसमें ग्लैमर है, सॉरी बट ग्लैमर दिखता है, वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग, बट जब ये हो जाता है और आप एक अच्छा काम कर लेते हो, then definitely the kind of satisfaction and the kind of appreciation you get, which makes you kind of feel like a celebrity. So, but और ये अच्छी बात है कि ये लगता है कि हमने कुछ करके कमाया, we have really done something good. So वो अच्छा करने के लिए blood और sweat तो देना ही पड़ेगा, and that goes with any business. For that.
So Vijayji, Touchwood Group has been in the industry for almost like 20 years. You must be, you know, there must be a lot of accolades and laurels that you must have gotten. But एक वो instance या एक वो कौन सा ऐसा कहते हैं ना मोमेंट होता है जब एक इंसान को लगता है कि अच्छा I have arrived, now I have arrived. वो कौन सा एक मोमेंट था आपकी लाइफ में, या वो कौन सी एक वेडिंग थी या कौन सा एक इवेंट था जब आपको लगा कि you know now I've arrived?
So honestly, I've never felt that we've still arrived because there's too much to do. Just to give you a Touchwood background, we have our own company, Talent Square, which works on a talent domain. We have a company where we do our own decor. It's called the Design Hub. We have our own IPs where we do the Gourmet Entertainment Show, and another IP where we call almost 50 caterers across India and almost 3,000 people visit in 2 days to experience the new curation in food and everything. We have one IP which is called Make Me Up. So it's a very small subject, but I think today it is the most sought out intellectual property of the country. Rather, we're doing one series, a reality series on OTT platform on Make Me Up. So I think the opportunities are endless. And in March, we're doing the world biggest wedding festival, which is called the Wed Fest, where we're doing the 8 IPs on 360,000 square feet area. So every time when you achieve something, it looks like that there's too much to do, and we look forward to that. So अभी तक वो moment आया नहीं है. Only thing which we enjoyed doing is that we have a very renowned awards of our industry, which happens as an ICW International Convention of Wedding Fraternity. So by God's grace, from last 3 years, we have been the number one, or say the agency of the year, by bagging almost 20 awards each year. So that is a very proud moment when you're sitting with a team of 50 people and everybody is waiting for their event to get nominated and that get it awarded. And when you see in your team's eye and when you interact through eyes there and the kind of feeling you have, I think that's the best moment I have ever lived for those 3 years continuously in winning those awards.
So you know, Vijayji, I like your spirit when you say that we have not arrived still. We are still working. You know, this is the kind of a trait a winner has. Because when you were showing the slides, you said that you should always think about doing the things differently. And there's a very famous saying which says that winners are not different. They do things differently. That's how they think. That's how they process things. So I can really make out from the way you are speaking that that's how you process things. You think about how to do it differently from the other people. Now, Vijayji, we have a couple of questions for you from the viewers. There's a viewer, her name is Tanu Rajput, and she's asking that actually I'm pursuing my BBA and I'm in first year. Can I continue BBA in event management from second year in your school?
So we don't have MBA or BBA. We have 4 months, 6 months, and a 1 year course, and you can join even after the you do your 10+2. So you can always join whenever you want to. All details, you can go to our Insta page or our website, and all details are there.
And there's one question which is very peculiar. but I want you to answer it.
Mhm.
There's a viewer, she's asking that does the wedding planner also decide the jewelry for the bride and groom?
It depends. It takes time to reach to that level, because after doing one or two or three weddings in the same family, you become more than a family to them. And if they feel that your advice matters to them, then they definitely ask you. But you need to earn that before they can actually ask you that which designer should we use for a clothes or which designer should we take for jewelry.
So we have one international viewer with us. His name is Abhiyan Adan Arfani,
Okay.
and he is saying that I'm an event planner here in Japan. Let's get connected and maybe we can collaborate on new project between Japan and India. Wow,
Great. Yeah.
that's great.
Anytime, anytime. Japan is a fantastic country, and we have been trying to do something in Japan. Japan tourism came to us at least 3 times, but due to pandemic, we couldn't explore things. And we would love to do the Indian weddings in Japan because the country is beautiful, especially the cherry blossom in your
Hmm.
splendor. Fantastic.
Yeah. And there's another question for you. In which city your course is available?
So as of now, due to pandemic, we are going online, and so you can do the course from anywhere in the country. And for practical knowledge, we have 3 offices. When we talk about the internship, you can go to Delhi, Jaipur, Mumbai, anywhere you can come and do an internship with us. Or if you are any part of the country or even the world, we have our associations in place. We can ask or
Hmm.
you can get your internship done in the that respective area where you're located.
You know, Vijayji, when the pandemic hit the industry, there were a lot of people who were panicking, and there
Right.
were a lot of people who went into depression. So you must be hearing all stories. I was hearing all these stories. So when you were giving the presentation, you said that we actually increased the percentage of the events while we were in the pandemic. So I want to know more about that because I'm really interested to know about it.
So we always think differently, as I told you. We always look for opportunity in everything. So I think pandemic happened, and within a week's time, we did a world's biggest online wedding
Hmm.
conference by the name of Wed Nation, and we have
Oh.
almost 6,000 viewers or every day on
Hmm.
for 3 days on Wed Nation, and through that only we started doing different things on our one of the IPs Make Me Up. We did 6 master classes. Each
Hmm.
master class we sold about 3,000 tickets for 1,000 rupees each, with a billing of 30 lakh rupees on each class. Master class with one of the prominent makeup artists from India. And then we were working on the new concepts, new direction, new hotels, because we knew the budgeting is going to be the main factor when it comes to the wedding. So
Hmm.
we did a tie-up with the hotels, bespoke hotels in the country, and did a deal with them, like Oberoi's, who never used to do the weddings, or the other hotels which are very, very premium but never explored weddings, or smaller boutique properties. And the moment inquiries start coming, we were able to sell those hotels. So we were always busy in creating and wedding school. The whole idea came in a pandemic, and we started in a pandemic, and we were able to get the appropriate number of students enrolled for the first batch. So I think pandemic has been a blessing for us, and by God grace, all of our team is intact and working with us by work from home or from the office. So yeah, even now I think we'll be the busiest wedding planner, thanks to God and thanks to our team who will be working in next 4 months.
You know, Vijayji, I think that's the difference between a pessimistic and an optimistic. That whenever a situation comes, how troublesome a situation may be, but an optimistic person will always look at the sunny side of it and will make things work. But a pessimistic will not know what to do. So that's the beauty of it. That the prodigy was born out of pandemic, which was the Touchwood school which we had.
Yeah,
So thanks to the pandemic, I will also say that thanks to the pandemic, that this baby was born with lot of love and with lot of hard work and with lot of intelligence and thinking about it what to do, because I'm sure you must be having so many people who are excelling in their own field as the teachers over there.
yeah, yeah. And best part is the whole industry, because by God grace, if you go to the people who have supported us, they are who's of the industry. So any big wedding planner or a decor company, you will not find even one single person who's not endorsed the school, or they're coming every week to take classes whenever we have asked them for any suggestions, guidelines, even to create the course. They've all helped us. So from E Factor to Vannaman, the people who's of the industry has already been part of this course. So,
yeah, and I think the beauty of the pandemic was that it taught us about live classes more. So there was a lot of digital learning which was going around, and the best part is that you can connect to anybody around the world. Any student and any teacher or any wedding planner can be connected, and you can have a live class. That's the beauty of the pandemic which happened.
True. And the way we are talking right now, we never used to doing this kind of sessions or seminar or conference. So this virtual world is amazing. And today we are connected to a person from Japan who can really see us or talk to us live. I think this pandemic has given us something which we'll cherish for years.
Yeah. And I think, there are people like you who are extremely talented, who are extremely successful. And we need people like you to share your knowledge with the people, who want to enter the industry, the youngsters who want to enter the industry. So I think this is the best time that, we can have the live sessions and we can learn something from you. I also learned a lot from you when you were, sliding, when we were looking at the slides and all that. I was also gauging that, okay, all right, this is what is needed. Because as an MC, to be very frank with you, I just complete my work and I go. But I know that there's a lot of hard work which goes beyond it. There are people who are working day and night to make it happen,
True. That is true.
Yeah. So, Vijayji, quickly, I would like you to again tell us something about the initiative that is the Touchwood Wedding School. And how can we cater to the youngsters, and how can we cater to the people who will come and join us?
So Touchwood Wedding School has a different program, which is basically we have 2 months certification in design and decor. So anybody who wants to just get into the design and decor, and he has a design and a decor adaptability and a passion towards it. So we train them, because decor is again a very vast subject. Then we have 4 months certification in international and domestic destination wedding management, wherein because there's a lot of destination wedding happens, and a lot of hotels, DMCs, the destination management companies based out of those countries, are looking for a wedding planners trained to do a destination wedding, Indian wedding planners to train destination wedding. So we train them according to them, and we have a tie-up in Dubai and Turkey where 2 months initially we teach them in India, and then for 2 months we send them to those countries for a further knowledge and experience on that particular domain. And then we have 4 months diploma in wedding management, which is a complete aspects of a wedding management, from negotiation, from whatever we have told you, from decor, design, conceptualization of entertainment. And then 6 months diploma in wedding management, which is 4 months there, and 2 months training with one particular stream, where you can come to our office and we'll give you one hand-holding person who will train you in that particular stream. 1 year specialized diploma in wedding management and design, which is basically to become an entrepreneur, and where we teach you the entire aspects, and then you can be in our office for 6 months and working on a different projects. And by initial 6 months, we came to know that what you basically want to do in the wedding scene. So we train you for that, being it design, or being it hospitality, or being it entertainment curation. So we create. So I always tell people, we don't teach you, we don't give you a course, we give you a career, because we assure you once you finish the course, you will be there and you'll be able to get a job for sure when you go out and finish this course with us.
So viewers, that's the best part of Touchwood Wedding School, that we not even, polish you professionally, but they also give you the placements, and you will learn a lot of things, working with them, because Touchwood is a very big enterprise. They have been in the industry for almost like 20 years. Vijayji, one thing also I would like to ask you that, when we spoke about the pandemic, there was a lockdown which happened. So how do you handle stress? There are two things which I want to ask you particularly. One, that how were you able to handle the stress while we were in the lockdown, and how do you handle the stress while you are working with these for these event wedding planning, because there's a lot of updates which are coming, there are a lot of downloads which are coming day and night. So how do you handle stress?
First thing, I don't know what is stress, honestly, because for me, every problem has a solution, and problem is a stress. You don't have to treat it as a problem. You always see that this problem definitely comes with an opportunity to you. There are many instances when team came to me with so many problems with their heavy faces and burden on their is saying, "Sir, ये नहीं हो पा रहा है." मैंने कहा पहले तो ये बोलना बंद करोगे, नहीं हो पा रहा है. सिर्फ आके ये पूछोगे, सर ये इसका रास्ता क्या है? How can we do it? And everything has a way out, and everything has things. Most of the time, they come with a problem because and especially the new people, the people who are trained with us, who are working with us for 5, 7, 8, 10, 12, 15 years, they don't come with those kind of problems. But the new people, because and that's what I've observed, because they have not learned enough. They have not got that knowledge and experience. If they have that kind of knowledge and experience, then there's no stress in this business. Honestly, this is the most easy job to do if you enjoy doing it.
Yeah.
So,
and Vijayji, what do you give more weightage to? Do you think experience is more important, or talent in this industry is more important, or it's an amalgamation of both?
right talent and right experience, it's amalgamation of both will be the right thing to put it here, because कोई भी चीज जब तक आप उसको अपने हाथ से नहीं करोगे तो वो knowledge भी complete नहीं है. That is why all our courses are on job training. Even after 2 months of training, almost 6 or 7 students are working with us right now on a particular job. That's what we want them to train. So then when they go out from here and start working anywhere in the country, the people should know them as a Touchwood product. And best part with us is that we cover all the spectrum of a wedding, because most of the wedding management companies just do a planning or just do a decor or just do entertainment. But we have in-house capacity of doing entertainment, decor, planning, hospitality, logistics. So they get a often experience which can really help them in their growth when they go out and start working professionally.
Yeah, I really agree to what you said, because I also believe that, when talent meets opportunity, then success happens. So there's an opportunity, viewers, which Vijayji can give you. And if you have the talent and if you have it going in you, then I think you should ASAP join the school and show him your talent, and definitely you'll be praised. Vijayji, we are running out of time right now.
Yeah.
And thank you so much for being a part of Youthopedia. And I'm sure there are a lot of youngsters out there who are budding and, who are dreaming about joining the wedding industry and being as successful as you, because we know that you are one of the enterprising and you are one of the bespoke wedding caterers in the industry from past 20 years. So viewers, thank you so much for joining us, and thank you so much for listening to us. If you have any questions, quickly, you can just key in and I will ask the questions to Vijayji. Vijayji, is there anything that you want to say before we wrap up the session?
First of all, thank you very much. It's been a fantastic session, and thanks for very well curated questions. Thank you to Youthopedia for organizing this. And one thing I want to tell students, that we are not doing the school to earn money. We just want the right kind of people to learn knowledge, and we should have a good talent who will be serving our industry. Because I'm saying it from the heart, because जितना हम एक शादी करके कमाते हैं, शायद हम 5 बैच चला के भी नहीं कमाएंगे. So idea is to get right talent for the industry. And और सबसे अच्छी बात ये होगी कि आज से 10 साल बाद अगर हमारे यहाँ से गए हुए बच्चे कुछ अच्छा कर पाते हैं, and then they will remember us and they will tell us कि sir, because we have been trained by Touchwood Wedding School, then we are able to reach or achieve something. So that's the whole idea. So please learn wherever. I'm not saying come to us for Touchwood Wedding School, but spend some time. There are 2-3 now good schools in India, but you have to judge that which suits you most. But सबसे पहले उस चीज को सीखो जरूर, because it's a very very vast industry. It needs lot of specialization. So please learn and then work in the same industry for a few years. And if you want to start your own business, then definitely there are endless opportunities in this business.
Vijayji, thank you so much for being a part of this session today. And apart from the viewers, I also learned a lot of things from you. And one thing which I really appreciate about your personality is that, you know, you are so positive. I mean, you're so optimistic.
Yeah, I think
And
that's the one thing
yeah,
which keeps all of us going, and we should all be positive, man, because हर चीज का कोई ना कोई solution है.
yeah.
तो चीजें हो ही जानी है, सिर्फ काम रखने की जरूरत है और फोकस रहने की जरूरत है. You will achieve for sure what you want.
So viewers, I think you have also learned a lot from Vijayji's experience. And please, if you are interested in making a career in the wedding industry, then please feel free to join the school. And it's filled with people who are exceptionally talented and who are there to make you learn a lot of other things. Not just that, they will also make sure that you are placed in the right place and you are there in the industry and making a mark. And thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much, Vijayji. It was an honor having you with us and sharing the knowledge that you have to give. Thank you so much
Thank you,
for your-
Kanchana. Thank you, Topedia. Thank you very
Thank you
much.
so
God
much.
bless you guys. All the best for your future. Thank you very much.
Yeah. And all the best to you also, Vijayji. Thank you so much, viewers. So join us next time again for the session. Until then, take care of yourself. And I'll meet you next time in the next session. Bye-bye.